5 foods linked to better brain power. A healthy dietary pattern should include a lot of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Certain foods are particularly rich in healthful components like omega-3 fatty acids, B vitamins, and antioxidants, which are known to support brain health. Incorporating these foods into a healthy diet on a regular basis can improve the health of your brain, which could translate into better mental function. 1. Green, leafy vegetables, such as kale, spinach, collards, and broccoli, are rich in brain-healthy nutrients, like vitamin K, lutein, folate, and beta-carotene. 2. Oily fish such as salmon, cod, canned light tuna, and pollock are a good source of omega-3, which help build membranes around each cell in the body, including the brain cells. 3. Berries. Strong scientific evidence exists that eating berries benefits the brain. Eating blueberries, blackberries, strawberries and other berry fruits has beneficial effects on the brain and may help prevent age-related memory loss. 4. Tea and coffee acts as a central nervous stimulant. People usually take it to feel more alert and energetic. Caffeine can improve mood and help people feel more productive. It is believed to work by blocking the neurotransmitter adenosine's receptors, increasing excitability in the brain. 5. Walnuts are excellent sources of protein and healthy fats, and in a type of omega-3 fatty acid, which helps lower blood pressure and protects arteries. That's good for both the heart and brain.